Simon & Schuster presents Rainfish by Lois Ehlert. Read for you by Emma Galvin. When blue sky turns gray and it rains all day, that's when rainfish come out and play. They hide in debris until rain sets them free. Do you see them too? Or is it just me? They love to splash in puddles and dance upon concrete. They gather in the gutters and then swish on down the street. But you better look fast, because rainfish don't last. One day they're near, the next they disappear. I wonder where they go from here. If I had a fishtail, I'd swim to warm seas, where new friends and palm trees would wave to greet me. Sailors see rainfish. At least, that's what they say. But when they try to catch them, rainfish always swim away. Discards and debris. Charm. Twig. Box top. Paper plate. Necklace. Fish bobber. Can top. Feather. Plastic letter. Purse. Orange peel. Fish hook. Parking ticket. Sand dollar. Paper. Leaf. Concert ticket. Seashell.